Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm really excited with this video because I have seen Melody Susie all over and I have yet to buy one for myself. Now I'm not complaining. I have the Make Art purple doohickey, and I just literally called it a doohickey. My drill is the purple McCart one. There is some numbers to it or whatever. Like, it's not like the purple job or whatever. Like, there's not a specific name for it. But I do love it. Like, I've had it since I literally was in school. So I've never had a problem with it. It runs like a dream. But, you know, you just kind of want to try other things. So I'm going to do a quick video. This is unboxing my new drill. I love it because, oh God, don't look at my nails. I absolutely love it because it is actually portable. Like, you can take it with you places, and I'm so excited to be able to take it with me places. And y'all do not use my coupon code there. I don't know why I didn't blink that out, turkeys. That is definitely, honestly, go ahead and use it. I don't even care. If it works for you, use it away. But yeah, so this is like a very cute, sleek design. It is solid white. It has this really cool clip on the back, and you know, it's digital. So like, you turn the little thing on there and you spin it, and it's digital on the front, which I think is way freaking cool. So I'm not gonna talk through this whole video. I mean, it's kind of useless. This is just going to show you everything, and then I do end up doing my nails later, and so I ended up using it to do some filing on my nails. So I am going to insert a little bit of that area, so you'll get to see it in action. But anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for being here, and I'm going to go ahead and get this video going and let y'all enjoy it. Be sure and subscribe and like the video, guys. So that, you guys, is the Melody Susie little drill. I do love this one. It's really cool. I think I'm gonna do some more videos trying others just because I'm interested in seeing the difference. But anyways, until next time, guys, be sure and like and subscribe and to click that notification bell so you will catch me around. Talk to y'all later. Bye.